Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best kayak plugs is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any sit-on-top kayak enthusiast, ensuring your vessel remains watertight and ready for adventure, preventing unwanted water from entering your kayak scupper holes, which can lead to a less stable and enjoyable paddling experience. Number 5. Pelican Sit-on-Top Kayak Scupper Plugs. These scupper plugs are made from a compressible EVA material, ensuring a snug fit for various hole sizes. Installation and removal are a breeze thanks to the attached cord. Enjoy a consistently dry experience on the water. The high-quality EVA material effectively prevents water from entering your kayak. Keep yourself dry and comfortable throughout your entire paddling adventure. These plugs are specifically designed for this purpose. Worry less about compatibility. They are designed to fit all major kayak brands with hole sizes less than 1.25 inches. You'll receive a pack of 4 scupper plugs, offering a proven solution to keep your kayak dry. It's a reliable choice for any kayaker. What we like. This option is made from a compressible EVA material, ensuring a snug fit in various hole sizes. It's also incredibly easy to install and remove, with an attached cord for convenience. If you're looking for a reliable way to stay dry on the water and want a plug that's versatile and user-friendly, this is a great choice. What people say. These kayak plugs are designed to fit snugly into the scupper holes of sit-on-top kayaks, preventing water from entering the cockpit. The durable rubber construction ensures a long-lasting seal, keeping your kayak dry even in rough conditions. Easy to install and remove, these plugs provide a simple yet effective solution for water management on your kayak. Number 4. Skylety Silicone Kayak Drain Plugs. Keep your kayak dry and your adventures uninterrupted. These plugs are designed to effectively stop water from entering your vessel. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these plugs are built to last. They are sturdy, durable, and resistant to cracking for long-term use. Designed to fit most fishing boats and kayaks with 1-2-inch openings. Please check the size to ensure a perfect match before purchasing. Applying and removing these plugs is a breeze. They install quickly to prevent water entry and can be conveniently replaced when needed. You'll receive an ample supply of these essential plugs. This ensures you have enough for your daily needs and any necessary replacements. Enjoy your time out on the water without worrying about leaks. These stoppers help maintain a dry and comfortable experience in your kayak. What we like. Crafted from sturdy and reliable silicone, these scupper plugs are built to last. You get a sufficient quantity in each package, making them easy to use and replace. If you need a durable and cost-effective solution with plenty of plugs for your kayak, this set is ideal. What people say. The plugs fit snugly and keep water out effectively. Easy to install and remove, they stay in place during paddling. Durable material, they seem like they will last a long time. Number 3. Kayak Scupper Plug Kit with Silicone Handle. Tired of water in your kayak? Our upgraded drain plugs feature reinforced silicone handles that won't break or rot. They provide a secure fit to keep you dry. These plugs are designed to fit scupper holes between 1.35 and 1.55 inches. Please check our dimensions to ensure a perfect match for your kayak. Crafted from premium, wear-resistant silicone, these plugs are strong, lightweight, and designed for a snug fit. They are built to last through all your adventures. Installing and removing these plugs is a breeze thanks to the convenient handle design. They are easy to carry and fit seamlessly into your kayak. Universally compatible with most kayak drain holes, these accessories effectively prevent water intrusion. Enjoy your time on the water without worrying about leaks. What we like. These plugs feature upgraded silicone handles that are double reinforced, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. The non-slip surface ensures a secure fit, preventing water seepage. If you prioritize durability and ease of removal with a robust handle design, these are the plugs for you. What people say. They fit perfectly and keep the water out. These plugs are a great addition to my kayak, they seal up the scupper holes effectively. Easy to install and they don't fall out during use. Number 2. Amarine made 8-piece universal kayak scupper plug kit. You'll receive 8 universal scupper plugs, providing enough for daily use and replacements. Choose from various colors like black, red, blue, green, or sky blue. These plugs are designed to fit scupper holes ranging from 3/4 to 1 to 1/2 inches. They are compatible with major brands like Hobie, Ocean Kayak, and Old Town. Each plug is lightweight, small, and comes with a lanyard for easy carrying. Installation and removal are straightforward. These accessories are essential for keeping water out of your kayak. Enjoy a dry and comfortable experience while out on the water. Amarine Made is committed to high quality across our product line. We aim to enhance your boating and fishing adventures. Your satisfaction is important to us. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us via email, and we'll respond promptly. What we like. This kit comes with a generous pack of 8 universal scupper plugs, ensuring you have enough for your needs. They are lightweight and portable, with an easy-to-use lanyard for convenient installation and removal. If you need a bulk supply of plugs that fit a wide range of kayaks and are easy to manage, this is an excellent option. What people say. These kayak plugs are a perfect fit for my sit-on-top kayak, effectively keeping water out. The design of these plugs is excellent, they are easy to insert and remove, and they create a watertight seal. I was impressed by the durability of the material used for these plugs, they feel like they will last a long time. Number 1. Pokin Kayak Scupper Hole Plugs. Keep your kayak dry with these essential scupper hole plugs. They are designed to fit most sit-on-top kayaks, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Specifically designed for perception kayaks, these plugs also work with a variety of other popular brands. Their tapered design ensures they fit scupper holes from 1 to 1 to 3/8 inches. The improved tapered design mimics original plugs, effectively preventing water from entering your kayak. They fit snugly into the recessed drain holes, maintaining the kayak's original position. Featuring convenient finger tab extensions, these plugs are easy to install and remove. You can also tether them using the pre-drilled holes for added security. This pack includes 4 high-quality plugs, providing a reliable solution for keeping water out. Enjoy your kayaking adventures with peace of mind. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for assistance. What we like. Featuring a tapered design, these plugs are specifically made to fit scupper holes from 1 inch to 1/3/8, working particularly well with perception kayaks and similar models. The finger tab extensions allow for easy pulling and quick draining. If you own a compatible kayak model and want a plug designed for a precise fit with convenient removal features, consider this option. What people say. These kayak plugs fit perfectly into the scupper holes of my sit-on-top kayak, preventing water from entering the cockpit. The rubber material is durable and creates a tight seal, ensuring no leaks even in rough water conditions. Easy to install and remove, these plugs are a must-have accessory for any sit-on-top kayak owner looking to stay dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.